Okay, tell me if this sounds familiar. You've got a file, maybe it's that funny video you recorded on your phone, or an important presentation you need on your laptop, and for some reason, transferring it feels like you're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Yeah, you've been there, done that. But what if I told you there is a way to transfer files that is faster, simpler, and would make you throw your devices out the window? Today, I'm sharing a life-changing tool that's going to make transferring files between your devices as easy as sending a text. No cables, no downloads, no drama, just pure magic. Let's get into it. Alright, let me introduce you to Snapdrop.net. Think of it as the AirDrop of every device. Android, iPhone, Windows, Mac, it doesn't matter. As long as your device has a browser, you are good to go. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open Snapdrop.net on all the devices you want to connect. No apps, no sign-ups, just a browser. Step 2. Make sure your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. No, you don't need to call IT for this. It's super easy. You just need your devices to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network. Emphasis on the same Wi-Fi network. If you connect them to different Wi-Fi networks, note this, it's not going to work for you. Step 3. Tap the device you want to send the file to, select your file, and done. It's like magic. No fumbling with Bluetooth, no USB cables, no, oh no, my email attachment is too big. Just seamless, instant sharing. Now let's talk real life. Here's how Snapdrop can save the day. Scenario 1. You're working on a group project and you need to send a large file to your teammates. Instead of hunting for a cable or praying to the Bluetooth gods, you just Snapdrop it. Wait, did I just say Snapdrop it?
What's going on? I think they just discovered my piano.
Now, scenario 2. You've got a family dinner and you just took the funniest video of your sibling. Well, you want to show it on TV, Snapdrop it, and it's there before anyone can ask, what's the Wi-Fi password? Like, that's how fast it is. And here's the kicker. Snapdrop is private. Your files don't go to the cloud. They don't pass through any servers. They go directly from one device to the other. It's fast, it's secure, and it's all yours. And there you have it. The easiest, fastest, and smartest way to transfer files between your devices. No headaches, no hiccups, just pure convenience, brought to you by Snapdrop.net. Now here's the deal. If this video made your life even a little easier, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to ditch their USB cables and level up their file transfers. And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the family. We've got more tips, tricks, and tech hacks coming your way. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, stay smart, stay connected, and keep making life a little easier.